Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the plate light bulb in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts that you need, you can click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take a flat blade screwdriver, get in right here. Don't pry too much, just a little bit. Pry it out and then down, just slightly. This will pop out. There's a little spring right there. That's a retainer that's holding it up. Set that aside. To get the bulb out, I'm just going to use a right angle pick. Slide it up here and gently pull down. Try not to drop the bulb. And there's the bulb. So the tips of this bulb are going to go into this little bracket right here. It's a little bit tricky to line it up. So I'm going to line one up first and then try to get the other one lined up and just push it up, lock it in. So once the bulb's in, then we can reinstall the cover. I'm going to slide this metal retainer in first. I use the screwdriver a little bit here just to pry it in a little bit and just put a little bit of pressure with your hand until it locks in. And the driver's side plate light bulb will be the same procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.